Here today, going to be opening up another one of these Star Wars Masterwork hobby boxes. I got this on Black Friday from the local hobby shop. Interested to see if I get anything cool. Looking for some big stuff from this. Not necessarily smaller hits, obviously. I've got most of the autos, I think. So looking for some of the big ones. And the price of these have dropped a lot, so it's a little bit safer gamble than they were when they first came out. There's pack number one. Let's see, we got Private Capel, Sabine Wren, a blue Luke Skywalker. We got Powerful Partners, Jen Erso, and Captain Cassian Andor. And a ship emblem, K2SO, with a U-Wing. 100 out of 175. You almost always get a ship emblem in every box. I'm pretty sure every box has a ship emblem. Every master box. So that is one of the common hits. Now, that means we have 2 autos in these last 3 boxes. They're guaranteed 2 autographs per master box. There's that pack. Alright, so we have Captain Cassian Andor, Tion Maydome, a green T-bow. It's 66 out of 99. There's a super weapon, super laser siege cannon, and there's General Merrick. I think I have that one, but he was a cool character in Rogue One. And this is, of course, on-card auto. Alright, next pack. Our next mini box. Let's get something numbered here out of this one. Alright, or we could get a sketch, which would be awesome. Okay, so we got Vice Admiral Amy Lynn Holdo. We got Anakin. We got a blue Hera. There's Powerful Partners Han Solo and Chewbacca. And out of 200, an Obi-Wan Kenobi stamp with the R2-D2 stamp. Or R2-D2 stamp with Obi-Wan Kenobi. Stamp relic. Alright. I like those. They're pretty cool, but I'd rather have a sketch. But those are kind of cool. Really cool that Great Britain has Star Wars stamps. They should do those here in the U.S. as well. I think those are Great Britain. Alright, so we should have an auto in this pack. So let's see what we get. Alright, so we got Imperial Snowtrooper, Kato Konix, a green K2SO 21 out of 99, an Anakin History of the Jedi, and Kai Threnali. So not the best box, I'll have to admit. But that just gives us a chance to end on a better box with some of these other ones. Alright, so this box we got Paul Casey autograph, Ben Daniels, and then a K2SO ship relic, and a stamp card of R2D2. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.